Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing coils on the Integra. So yeah, we're going to go down to the shop and get those installed. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I work at a detailing shop, 913 Detailing. So we're actually going to be doing it here because I'm at one of my homies, Paul. The car's up. Time for the coils. So we're going to start by taking off this bolt right here, and then we're going to take this out right here. Now we're taking out these top bolts. Out with the old and in with the new. This is how much we're dropping it. It's like an 1.5 inches lower. So hopefully it's slammed and we scrape everywhere and break shit. All right, one coil's in. Now we're just putting the bolts back in and then move to the next side. We have now got the second coil out.
Okay, yeah. Did you see that?
And the fronts are on.
And that nut.
All right, we got the fronts on. We still got to lower it a little more. And now we're moving on to the back. So for the back, all we got to do is take out these bolts down here. And then up over here in the trunk, there's some little covers and there's some bolts in here for the top. So the back should be a lot easier than the front. So, yeah, mechanic. The rear is in. This one's hella low. So we'll see how that goes. And moving on to this side. The back fitment dialed in, kind of. We'll see if we can drive, but we got to lower the front. All right, the coils are tightened. I think we're ready to go. And the coils are on. The coils are on. About to go for the first drive to make sure it actually drives, but this shit low, man. This is low. Might lower it more, probably not. Might have to raise the back because it's gonna scrape, but it looks good. Looks really good. Damn. Sure.
It's scraped. Oh my God. His exhaust is fucking scraping. You can see it right there. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Drive number 2.
Yes, sir. Number 2. Adjusted the back so hopefully it's not scraping. Yep. I don't hear anything yet. Fitment is quite clean. Damn. There's definitely some scraping. The exhaust. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely some sparks down low. Oh my God.
All right, so obviously it's the next day now, but I spent about 3 hours last night adjusting the coils so that we could actually drive. So now the Integra's done and we can drive it. It's pretty lit. So here's what the finished results look like. Got rid of the wheel gap pretty much, so it looks good. I like how it turned out. I want to lower it more, but you see the problem is, if we go down under here, you look at the exhaust, we're literally like 1 inch off the ground on the middle. So, can't really lower it much more without scraping, but might lower the back a little bit more because we got a little bit more room. Might try to lower the front a little bit more, but I think I'm gonna figure out something I can do to get the exhaust a little more off the ground so we can lower it more. But yeah, turned out good. Sure. And yeah, guys, that's all for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the install of the coils on the Teggy. Turned out pretty well. They were definitely a process to install, but you know, you live and you learn. So, had fun, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm sipping on red, damn it, I'm a leaner. She said that I'm mean, wait until I turn meaner. Pull up on the scene, 40 on me with a